What is happening, everyone? In today's video I'm going to do something really crazy. I'm going to replace our sun with a neutron star. But first, let's check why neutron stars are so awesome. These tiny, super dense remnants of massive stars are just a few miles across, yet they can pack more mass than our sun. Their gravity is insanely strong, they can spin incredibly fast, and some even shoot out beams of radiation, like cosmic lighthouses. Plus, they give us clues about the most extreme physics in the universe, like what happens when matter is squeezed to its limits. In short, neutron stars are some of the most extreme and fascinating objects in the cosmos. But first things first, let's compare a neutron star with our sun. This is PSR 2144/3933. And this is our sun. Difference in size is enormous, but let's check on some basic properties. Our sun has a radius of about 700,000 kilometers, while the neutron star has a radius of about 13 kilometers. Our sun has a surface temperature of around 5,500 degrees Celsius, while the neutron star has a surface temperature of around 370,000 degrees Celsius. The sun has a luminosity of, well, 1 times that of our sun, and the PSR only has a luminosity of 0.06 times that of our sun. But the crazy part is, PSR has 2 times the mass of our sun. Now let's put the PSR in the middle of our solar system and see what happens. First thing, let's set the time frame on 1 day per second and hit the play button. At this point, the only thing that has changed is that, well, our planet is in complete darkness. Let's fast forward a bit to see what happens. As expected, Mercury is the first one to lose orbit, followed by Venus and then our planet. Also, our planet is cooling down really fast. The extreme mass of the neutron star has affected the entire solar system. At this point, even the Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are losing its orbit. But let's check how our planet is doing. As you can see, Earth is completely covered in ice, and the average temperature dropped to minus 140 degrees Celsius. But life likelihood is still at 60%, even though I don't think that there is anyone alive at this point. But let's check on something different. Even though the PSR made a total mess in our solar system, this neutron star still has a habitable zone. And for a planet to support life, it should be in this green area. And as you can see, not even one planet is even close to that. Let's put our planet in the habitable zone of the neutron star. As you can see, our planet is doing pretty well, and life likelihood is almost perfect. So what do you think? Wouldn't it be cool for our planet to orbit a neutron star? Write me down in the comments what you think, and I hope you enjoyed the video.